I had someone ask me, how can I create 12 random passwords, all of them being 12 characters in length? And I thought this would be a really good little challenge. So let me show you what I did to help this person solve this problem. I took a Google sheet and I wrote two groups. I have a totally randomized and I have randomized using from a selection. Let me show you what they are. So the totally randomized ones, what I did was I wrote a formula here and I said, get the character between 33 and 126, random between 33 and 126. And I added that together, concatenated that string 6 times. And in each one of these, I concatenated either 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10, all the way across. I have 12 times. I put together that phrase, character between 33 and 126. Randomized. And then it populated, I did it 30 times. I have 30 variations of 6 character through 12 character passwords. By the way, if I come on here and I delete any or change any data or add any data, you can see it automatically recalculates every single time. So this is completely randomized for a 6 character through a 12 character using the characters between character number 33 and 126. And you see 33 starts right here with the capital A, and 126 goes all the way down here, repeats lower cases, goes all the way down here to the tilde. Now, then what I did, I said, okay, let me let the user make a different selection of passwords. And so I created the same formula, but I said, go get the characters from this list. So if you don't want to use a particular number, then or a particular character, you have to delete that character from the list and pull the list up. So if I delete that, say I don't want to use the period, I can right click on that, I can delete the cell and pull it up. And you can see there are no periods in here because I just deleted the period. Put it back in there, and you may see that the period is in there somewhere. It might be hard to find, but it's in here. I know it is. Give me a second. There's the comma, and there's the period. So, but again, this is randomized from this selection. Again, if you don't want to use the period or you don't want to use a particular character because you don't like to type that, then you can just delete that character and pull the list up. So again, I randomized from selecting from this list 6 character through a 12 character password. And there's no more I could do to randomize this selection here than what I've done in this formula. Again, every time you change or delete data, it's going to completely redo the randomization and create this whole series of passwords. And if you want, so say you want 10 character passwords, highlight that list, come all the way down, select all 30, do a command or control C, and then you can go into whatever tool you want to, and you can put in, hang on, I'm going to show you, you put that list of passwords just to paste it in there so that you can use those passwords. Now, by the way, these will not change anymore because there's no longer a formula associated with it. It is raw text. Let me show it to you again just so you know. If I want the 12 characters and I just highlight that row, hit Command or Control C, go to whatever note thing I have and paste it in there, there are those random passwords for you to use. And again, there's no formula here, so this is raw text. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.